Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best smart door locks 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. New RAYKUBE K8 Smart Door Lock. Upgrade your door security with the latest Tuya Wi-Fi enabled lock. Enjoy keyless entry using TTLock app, Fingerprint, or digital code. Enhanced with a larger handle panel for easy access and sleek design. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. Waterproof fingerprint lock. Seamlessly control access to your home with this TTLock enabled smart lock. Utilize remote control via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or the TTLock app. Grant access via fingerprint, card, code, or app for ultimate convenience. Number 3. (3D Face Smart Lock). Elevate your home security with this innovative door lock featuring 3D face recognition technology. Enjoy multiple unlocking methods including fingerprint, password, and biometric keys. Monitor your entry with an integrated security camera. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Fingerprint Outdoor Lock. Secure your outdoor spaces with this waterproof smart lock. Utilize remote control via the TTLock app or enter access codes for keyless entry. Ideal for gardens and gates, providing convenient and secure access. Number 1. XSDTS Smart Door Lock. Experience advanced security with this Tuya Wi-Fi enabled electronic lock. Unlock your door effortlessly with biometric recognition, including fingerprint, smart card, password, or traditional key. Thanks for watching.